5 Best 4K Camcorders. Number 5. Sony FD-RAX100. Capture 4K or 30-pixel video. Exceeds HD resolution. High frame rate shooting at 120p. One XMR RCM GOES sensor. 14MP resolution video. 20MP still image capture. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Canon XA30 Professional. Genuine Canon 20x high definition. Advanced HD CMOS Pro image sensor. Improved low light performance. Full HD 1920x 1080 recording capabilities. Built-in Wi-Fi registered trademark technology. Superb image reproduction. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Sony PXW-Z150 XT Cam. Flexible 4K and Full HD recordings. HFR 120 FPS super slow motion. Compact and lightweight body. Professional audio XLR terminals. Built-in neutral density filter. Item weight, 4.3 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Sony FD-RAX700. Incredibly fast, hybrid AF. 273 points and wide coverage. 4K resolution, 3840 into 2160. Instant HDR workflow. Hybrid log gamma, HLG, encoding. Smooth focus throw. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Panasonic HCX1. Advanced optical image stabilizer. Supports 4K, UHD. High performance Leica Dicomer 4K lens 24mm. 2-channel XLR audio. Wired/wireless remote control. 5-axis image stabilization. Please check the description for detail and price.